Tanzania could soon become Kenya's maize lifeline, but how high could prices really go? Welcome back to this week's African Grain Market Overview. This week, JARC examines Tanzania's maize market and what Kenya's sharply reduced crop expectations could mean for regional trade. With Kenya potentially needing to import more than 1.5 million tons next year, Tanzania could see exports surge and maize prices strengthen. But cheaper deep sea imports from Ukraine may ultimately put a ceiling on that upside. This episode is made possible by Collateral Management International, De Heers, and Zematic Irrigation Systems. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keep their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. Over the last 28 days, 66% of our watch time came from people who are not subscribed to our channel. So if you're one of them, hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing and helps us continue bringing you independent agricultural market analysis every week. You are welcome to drop a comment or a thumbs up as well. Maize prices across the African region traded as follows: Dar es Salaam on $220, Nairobi on $320, Kampala on $275, and Kigali on $285 per metric ton. De Heers, growing Africa's future together. De Heers is a leading global animal nutrition company dedicated to helping farmers produce safe, sustainable, and profitable food for a better tomorrow.
Good day. This week we look at the Tanzania maize market and, amongst other things, investigate how the well below normal expected Kenya maize crop could impact the Tanzania maize balance sheet and price trends. Note, all numbers used in our graphs and tables are our best estimates given information at our disposal and should be seen as such. There are very little statistics available on Tanzanian crops. As indicated in recent podcasts, the Kenya long-range maize crop, expected to harvest from late September, projected to be significantly below average due to well below normal rainfall. We guess the import need for the period May to September 2026, Kenya's typical import months, will be in the region of 600,000 tons. Next year, we expect the import months could be January, February, to September 2027 due to the reduced crop expectations as indicated above, and project an import need of 1.5 million tons plus, with several observers talking closer to 2 million tons. It is our opinion that the majority of the import need will be sourced from Tanzania. This table indicates our Tanzania maize balance sheet history estimates as well as our 2026-27 forecast. We will focus on the 2026-27 forecast and how the significantly bigger expected Kenya import need could have an impact. The 2026-27 year runs from more or less July 2026 to June 2027. We have increased our production forecast marginally upwards from 7.5 to 7.8 million tons due to reports current harvested yields are on average are exceeding expectations. Our annual local consumption projection at around 6.3 million tons. The big change in our projection come at the export line. Due to the significantly smaller Kenya crop expectations, we have almost doubled our Tanzania export number to 1.5 million tons, compared to the previous year's 800,000 tons. Although we still expect the 2026-27 year ending stocks to be high at around 2 million tons, it is significantly below previous estimates. Also, we only capture export before July 2027 in the 2026-27 forecast. We foresee significant exports to Kenya July, August and September 2027, which will further eat into ending stocks and be captured in the 2027-28 marketing year. The next obvious question is how this could impact Tanzania maize prices. For obvious reasons, it should be price supportive. However, we feel the upside could be curtailed. Kenya now allows deep-sea non-GM maize imports duty-free. Observers guess a quarter of Kenya's around 4 million ton estimated annual consumption is used in the feed market, and this market can be supplied by non-GM Ukrainian yellow maize. Our calculations indicate Ukrainian yellow maize can currently, in theory, land in Nairobi at around $350 per ton. At this point, supply out of the Black Sea problematic due to the escalating Russia-Ukraine war. But Kenya will only need to import from early 2027, and by then the situation could have changed. Using this theoretical number in our Kenya import parity calculations indicates an Arusha, northern Tanzania, price around $270 per ton, and Dar es Salaam $250 per ton. Current Dar es Salaam price at $220 per ton. Making price assumptions regarding potential exports in 6 months' time will probably be proven incorrect. However, a more general assumption that potential Kenyan imports of Ukrainian yellow maize could limit the upside of Tanzanian export parity price levels, probably a more realistic opinion. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thank you, Jock. For deeper insights into African soft commodity markets, contact Jock today to access Commodity Insight Africa's full weekly reports. A special thank you to Collateral Management International, De Heers and Zematic Irrigation Systems for making this episode possible. Thanks for joining us. Stay informed, trade wisely, and we'll see you again next week.